I was just a kid with a ribbon in my hand, dreaming of the world with a rock and roll band. The sound of freedom in the air, a revolution in my heart, nothing could compare. From the first chord to the final scream, rock was a fire that fueled my dream. And even now, with the years gone by, I still hear that sound, reaching for the sky. I was a rebel for not accepting what they say. I always wanted to be free, but I never could in the shadow of my family. I missed many chances I know was the best that they could give me. I thank them so much, I won't do the same. And every beat, a beautiful solfeggio, reminds me of where I came from. Though the world has changed and time has passed, the boys lost the beats